Display your boards and show your project's progress with Yodeck's Monday.com app. This is a great way to internally communicate current tasks and priorities and make sure that everyone is aligned. To use this app, go to the Apps tab and add Monday.com. Give the app a name and an optional description. Copy the embedded code from Monday.com by clicking Share on your board and finding the embed code. Paste the code in the app settings in Yodeck. Set the zoom factor and the default duration that the app will appear for if used in a playlist. Keep availability unticked if you don't want to schedule the app, or toggle it on and set the start and expiration dates. This means the app will not be displayed outside of these dates. Click Save and your app will be ready to display. Just go to the screen settings and select the app as the default content or add it to a schedule.